welcome to Code Within Minutes. Today I am going to share my interview experience with Capgemini. In this video I will explain you technical interview, HR interview, domain and the pre-joining training of Capgemini. What you should know before your interview and the question which was asked to me. Guys, if you are new at my channel, do like, share and subscribe Code Within Minutes. So first of all, I will discuss about at least you should know before you start your technical interview. Capgemini interview question of technical round will be based on subject of your interest and the project you have done till date. For this round you should have complete knowledge of your project which you have mentioned in your resume, and that time you have to explain the working of each module of your project and about the team members and what's your role in the project. And then you should know at least one programming language in which you are comfortable to answer the concept based questions and the programming based questions. Mostly in concept based question they will ask you the question about the recursions and the iterations and the conditional statements. After that, some of the students are also asked programming question which you have to explain the interviewer about your algorithm which you have used in the program and the approach and the logic used in the program. I will tell you what they asked to me during my interview. So let's see. After that, you should have complete knowledge of data structure concepts like stack, queue, linked list. After that you should know about the concepts of object oriented programming, and they may ask you the questions like what is the object, explain it, why class is called the objects factory. Some of the questions like this were also asked during my interview. And some of the interviewer may ask questions on database management system like joins, subqueries, DML, DDL commands, and some of them also asked to write some queries. So you should also know these before starting your interview. You should at least know how to write the queries of the SQL. And at last they may ask you few questions related to your department subjects, like those students who are from ECE background, electronics background, they will ask you the questions on digital electronics and the circuits question also. They ask these questions in order to find that how disciplined you have been during your engineering. And now the questions which was asked to me. So the first question to me was, tell me about yourself. So guys, please answer in short and express your passion about this job in your introduction. The next question to me was, tell me about your project and what was your role in that project. This is the time I explained each and every bit of my project and described each module to the interviewer. And then they had also asked me some questions related to my project. So please prepare for the questions related to your project, because I had told during my introduction that I am good in Java. So the next question to me was, how good are you at Java? So I answered that I know the concepts of core Java. Then he asked me to write the code to print Fibonacci series. I wrote it correctly. Then he told me to insert an element into the linked list and explain it as I had told you that there will be a question from data structure. And after answering these questions, now the next is now about the HR interview. Basically they test your communications skill, and the first question she asked me about the 1 year gap after my intermediate. And these are the some questions which were asked during my interview. That question based on your resume, why Capgemini, and are you willing to relocate? This is the question which was asked me again. And after that the last question to me was, why your college name? I think these are the questions which you at least prepared before entering your interview round. After clearing your interview, means you are placed in Capgemini, you will receive your letter of intent where it is clearly mentioned that you will receive the pre-joining training or not. If you receive pre-joining training, it means you are from non-infra domain, which is for the analyst role in various technologies like Java, .NET and Python. And after completing the pre-joining training, you will receive a joining. And those who won't get pre-joining training, they are from the infra domain, which is for the job like server, network and the management in the organization, and they will get the direct joining. Hope you all guys like my explanation. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.